From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Thank you for joining me. I'm student meteorologist Jeff Schmidt. Today is Thursday, January 29th. Taking a look right now over the Arboretum, you can see snow still on the ground from the storm system that moved through earlier in the week. Temperatures right now, 16 degrees with calm winds, visibility at 10 miles. Temperatures across the state of Pennsylvania, 16 as I mentioned in State College, a little bit warmer to the eastern portion of the state, 31 in Philadelphia, and in the western portion, 31 and 34 in Pittsburgh and Erie respectively. As we take a look at the mid-Atlantic region, you can see that cold air is still covering much of the United States. 28 degrees right now in Boston as they're still shoveling out from Winter Storm Juno. Here's the satellite. As you can see earlier today, not much cloud cover was in effect for the eastern portion of the state, but that cloud cover has swept through much of Pennsylvania and is affecting pretty much the whole state at this point in time. So there is going to be a storm system that will move its way through through much of Pennsylvania today. And I'll get to the accumulations in just a little bit. But you can see by midnight tonight that a good chunk of Pennsylvania is going to be experiencing some snowfall. But the good news is that by Friday, that'll all have moved out of the state, and it'll be a pretty nice day on Friday. So with that being said, there are some winter weather alerts. We do have a winter weather advisory in some of western Pennsylvania, and the big threat will be some freezing rain and ice in the southwestern portions of the state. So around the Pittsburgh metropolitan area and eastern Ohio, be on the lookout as roads will be very slippery. So the expected snowfall through today and tonight, we will see 2 to maybe 5 or half a foot of snow in the Alleghenies and in the northern portion of the state. But in State College, maybe 1 to 2 inches. And as I mentioned earlier, that freezing rain and ice will be a threat in southern Pennsylvania, so be on the lookout for that. Your forecast for today, 28 degrees. The snow will be picking up in the afternoon. And for tonight, that snow will continue, a low of 23 degrees. Now, as I mentioned, tomorrow is going to be a little bit nicer of a day precipitation-wise. It'll be cold at 22 degrees, but that snowfall will have moved out of the state. And here's your 7-day forecast. Follow us at PSU Weather for any more details on the weather. But 28 degrees for your high today, 23 overnight, and tomorrow, 22 with a low of -2. So be on the lookout. Stay warm if you're going out on Friday. We will see some sun moving into the area on Saturday and some snow coming up again towards the end of the weekend and the start of next week. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining me. I'm student meteorologist Jeff Schmidt.